In this video, we are going to fix the Windows Update failed error 0x8ddd0018. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first solution that you can do is that you need to run the troubleshooter for Windows Update. So by that, at this start, make a right click, scroll up and click on Settings. Here at the settings, you need to navigate to the left pane and proceed to the system. Click on it. Once you have opened the system settings, you need to scroll down, find for troubleshoot, and next is to go with other troubleshooters, and afterwards go with most frequent and run for Windows Update. So run the troubleshooter for Windows Update. It will take 2 to 3 minutes. Wait until it would be finished. And once you have done it, close this window. And then you need to proceed to the search box here and then type for CMD. Once you have typed the CMD, you need to wait until you can see a best match, which is a command prompt system. From that, you need to navigate to the right side and you need to run it as an administrator. So click on that one. And if you would receive a notification where your user account control would ask you to say yes, click on yes so that you can continue on running this window. So paste the command that I have given at the YouTube description. It is sfc space forward slash scan now. Click on the enter key and this process will take some time, maybe 5 minutes to 10 minutes. It will depend on your machine. Once you have completed the process, you need to close this window and restart your computer. Once you've restarted it, you need to update your computer manually. So by that, you need to bring up your Google Chrome browser and then at the search bar, you need to type for Microsoft Update Catalog. The moment you have clicked on it, you would be able to see a list of results. Proceed to the link which is under Microsoft.com, which is the official website for it. And from that, you need to search for the Windows Update code. So usually Windows Update code goes with keybase. Okay. Once you have typed it here, go with search, and eventually you'd be navigated to the list of results. Find for the relevant one, and then please click on download. Okay. Once you have clicked on download, wait until it will be finished, and once you have done it, okay, run it in your PC. Okay. So that's it. If you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to like and subscribe this video. Okay, so by that, you just have to click on the notification bell as well so that you would be updated for more notifications or sorry, for more tutorials rather like this. Okay, thank you and have a good day.